Guys, I don't know if you guys can see me. I just realized that my camera is tint. Let me just take a look. There we go. So my camera is tint. So today I would love you guys to help me get my machine to work again. So it has been more than a year. This was the first machine I purchased. Yeah, and I hold it so dear. But unfortunately I'll have to sell it. So it's on sale. It's on sale. So I bought this machine when I was working at the Ruby Textile. The chama that wanawake wanakuanga. I love chama, but of late chama zimekuwa disappoint. So I've decided like, nah, me with chama it's a no. So I bought it when I was working at Nairobi Textile as a shop attendant. And I bought it when I knew very well I'm going to quit. So I quit my work in December. So I bought this machine cash. I didn't ask anybody for money. That's something I'm proud of myself. Missing the stuff I've bought for myself. My own strength, what I've worked for. Yeah, it's been super. I'm super grateful. And I'll continue telling God, thank you. So I got this job. When COVID happened, things happened. I got this job and I was working at Karen. So the job was it was taking a lot of my time. So my machine was just there. I tried the first year of the job, that was last year, but I tried once or twice to use it. Yes, and during that time is when I realized the motor is not working, but it's 2-in-1. It has manual and it has motor, so I didn't get the time to do it. So now I want to start using it in 2023. Yeah, I want to start using it in 2023. And as you can see, literally, as you can see, it was like my dressing table. Let me just go and do something. I'm coming. Ouch. They really have. Yeah, sorry for that. Where were we? We were here. So literally for those 2 years, the table has been it has been working as my dressing table. I don't have a dressing table, so meaning I need to work on that since I'll start using it. Yeah, so I want you to help me to resample everything and get my machine to work. I want to do some services. I know some people will be like, services and you're not the fundi. Yeah, I was an home science student, and in our school, actually, the only time that our principal, I'll never forget, our principal used to repair our machine is when we have mock or neck exams. The rest of the days, you sort yourself. So I had to learn since I was a home science student, so to help everybody, you know. Yes. So I'll start removing everything. This is an OB. How many are they? They're supposed to be 8. I tried to use one. I've never used an OB, but I tried to use one. Still, it's not working for me. So I'm still learning this, and it's almost expiring. So I think I'll have to give to somebody as I buy another one to try and use. When is it going to expire? 1st Feb. So I'll have to give somebody. So cotton buds, then mask, peel off mask. I'll create a video. That's how I have skincare. This for dread. I have artificial dread, but I don't know why I like it. You have it. So this is a Dax New Africa. Oops, that is an insect. Not an insect, a housefly. I don't know how it got in here because I've not been here the whole day. So this Dax, my friend sells it. I think at 600 or 1,000 bob. I'm not sure. There's a Levine. Mikala Levine. When I don't go through, when I don't always have to go to salon to do my hair, so sometimes I just wash it and I leave it in and I apply the dust and then I spray the dread, and then I just go to work. So that's it. So this is a face mask. I bought it at Mini, so it's been quite some time since I do some skincare. Yes, so this thing I think is expired. I bought it last year when I had shaved my hair and I've done something. So me, I'm not a fan of styling my hair, so it is what it is. It's there. Yeah, this bucket, where did I get this bucket from? Let me remember. Where did I get this bucket? Where did I get this bucket? I think from Homebox. If I'm not wrong, I think it's from Homebox. So I always place my everything here. So I congratulate myself because for a year, still need no oil split. I love it. I love the way it looks. So Homebox, I got it from Homebox. This definitely I'm going to give. I'm not a fan of face creams. What's this? Is a cream. I don't know why CeraVe's working for my face. I love it, but this one it doesn't bring anything. And then I got this. So when I was buying this, what I had in my mind, it was like makeup removal. And if I touch it, there's that thing, there's that time when you touch something and then you feel it, like you feel goosebumps, and then you feel like your teeth are, that kind of discomfort. Now this gives me that. So I got it from Miniso, yeah, Junction. If you ask me, I don't know. So out, I don't know how to explain this, but I think you guys know what it is. So it's a deodorant. It's a deodorant or deodorant? Deodorant? Comment down below and tell us if it's a deodorant or deodorant. So it's deodorant. I bought it and it has been here for more than a year. So this year it's actually like it's going to be done. This is my makeup removal, pocket tissue, nail removal, makeup removal cottons, nail tone, I don't know. Then this is my, how do you call it? This is my foundation. I use Black Opal foundation plus the powder. This has my equipment. I'll have to get this brush. It has my, how do you call this? These are my hair bands. I got them from Miniso. I love the black one. You know, there are those black ones that you buy at 10 shillings. Oh God, they don't last. But these ones, baby girl, they're best. Yeah. So basically, there are combs, blah blah blah, everything, makeup brushes. Yes. So I'll place it here. These are chalk. So these ones, I bought them and I never dared to use them. So when you go swimming, when I was taking my class, you do them like this. But still, I'm a student still. I'll have to struggle because I can't do it and my teacher is talking to me, so that's why. Very to my ring. That's Matchbox. We call it Kiberishin Kiswahili. Panty liners. I learned to do makeup, so don't mind me. So this is serum from Daniel. Yeah. So where's my watch? So this watch, I remember I used to admire people who works with silver watches. This was a gift. Silver watches or gold watches that doesn't fade. But I used to afford the one for 200. So when I got work like this, I said, nah, I have to. So I went all the way to Encounter. I got the gold one. And I got the silver one. For me, my own money. Not gifts. Can't lie. Yeah, this is for deco. I don't know. It's been there like for years. I made this for my tailor's pin. How do we call it? How do we call it? This is a brush for foundation. So we're going to use this oil. This is sanitizer. Am I the only one? Middle Hospital. I was a patient there. Oh no! Yay! So these are drawers. Let me tell you. So these are for my friend. She's married. So I remember that time we were doing for her bridal shower and she had this on and I carried them. For no reason, I've never put them on and I've never delivered them back. This, where did I get this? I think this one, I snatched it from somebody. Yes, and I loved it. I loved the color, so snatch it from somebody. Yeah. Somebody. These ones are my aunts. After Fufu, I used to take her jewelries. And then this chain has a history, a huge history. Has a history. I'll create another video regarding the chain. Has a huge history. And then this was a gift from my friend. These are a gift from my friend, birthday gift. So my former boss. Then this. I created this. I used to admire girls who put on such necklace, pretty ones. They look classy, you know. And you're here, you want to look classy and you don't have money. So I made this for myself. And then tell me that you used to be. This smells nice. Tell me that you used to be a perfume refiller without telling me. It used to be a perfume refiller, so that's me. God. Now this has a story. I'll create a video. Actually, I want to return them there so that I create that video. This was a gift from my friend, and there were like two pairs of these. The other one was like yellow and a neck piece. So I don't know definitely where they went to, and it's only the only one. Then these are gifts. There's a lady, a friend to my cousin, we used to stay together. She used to have this necklace. It was a wedding, so she gifted me after the wedding. After some time, not immediately after the wedding, after some time, she gifted me this. I don't know if she gifted me or it just happened when we were going our separate ways. They were inside here. I don't remember, but I feel it's a gift. I don't take people's stuff. So, oh, this reminds me. I have a gold Those one I still put them on. And then this USB, it's 8 GB SD card. It's 8 GB. A gift from a friend of mine. We used to work. Where I used to work as a shop attendant at a textile. When I left, she was brought after some time. She's working there until now. So she had a lot of 8 GBs. I don't know where she got them. At some point I stayed with her. I think I've stayed with a lot of people. Yeah, that's another story. I'll create how I've been staying with my friend because he didn't have rent. But landlord and landlord is in a rent. I pack my stuff. So that's another story. So this one. So that one I'll use it. Yeah. Then this. So the idea I had with this, so lovey-dovey, the idea I was thinking to do photos inside here and then put a neck piece, but all the neck piece I've tried to get, they can't go through the whole one. 2, there was a cute bra I loved, so I used to place it somewhere here. It used to be somewhere here, so it was my favorite, and it's black. You guys, girls with history with black bras, girls. Yeah, that one we can do it. Beat them. Let me not say anything. So these ones are create a video. Place them there. These are the threads. So today I'll try to use disinfectant cleaner to clean it. I feel like it's been ages since I cleaned it. It's like a 4. This is it's called anti-bac, kills germs, disinfectant cleaner, improved kitchen. It's for kitchen. I think I had ones for surfaces, but I use it to disinfect my machine surface. Oopsie. So today I feel bad. I had to let one of my employees go home, and I feel relieved at the same time, but I feel bad. But I can't please everyone. I can't be paying somebody and I can't delay with their salary, because I know it feels to delay with somebody's salary. I always make sure I pay my employees on time. So I had to let her go. I wish you guys can see try, but it's still. So I'll return this. Ouch! Remove this. Oh my god. This is a disaster. So this is needle clamp and this is needle. When you are doing home science, you needed to know each and everything. Anything can come to your exams. That's needle clamp. It was a hot cake at school. Do this, remove this. Then I'll do this. But still oily. Is bobbing. Bobbing case. Wow. It's not dirty down here. I think it's just I need to oil it. Wow. So you always oil the joint part. I don't know why I've never oiled my shop machine, my industrial machine. This is not an industrial machine, so ouch. Sorry, I had to use force because it wasn't working at all. Oh, oops. The machine, you have to learn a lot of stuff. I think I had. Guys, started having some rusts. literally started having some rust, meaning I haven't been servicing it for 1 year. Oh God. Guys, I'm feeling sleepy. Tomorrow it's work and I need to be there very early, being tomorrow it's my last day at work. So early. Oh God, I forgot to return this. I'm telling you, I'm exhausted. That's in. Perfect. Yeah, so I'll have to return the needle on the needle clamp. I want I'm tired. That's it for today. At least I've oiled the machine, and the next time we'll open this part, and then I'll set everything, and I'll try to name the parts and the work and how to thread the machine. So but I think the video will include how I'll oil on top here. I'll remove this and oil and fix everything, and then from there I might, or it might be in one video, maybe if I won't be tired, I'll create a video how to thread and naming all the body parts. But till then, now I'm tired. I feel like just going to sleep, and trust me, I'm not going to return those things. I don't know where I'll place them, but because I need to start using this baby of mine, my first baby before I bought the industrial machine. So there's a day I'll take you through the industrial machine, but for now, we'll do this. For the profession ones, yeah, I'm just an home science student and YouTube learner. So that's how I became a designer. So don't take it. I'm just passing my knowledge from what I gathered from high school to this. High school, or how do you call it, guys? Or maybe if you're in states or something, it's called secondary school. Being all said and done, see you to the next video. Kindly subscribe, share, and we'll see you in the next video. I love you guys. Those who have been here, thank you. Those who are New here, you're welcome. Thank you. Bye.